make steaks for everybody.
So yeah, we just hand thread these.
That's a pair of scissors. That's right, every time you've been at my house, I've always had Chinese. But no, this is, I'm gonna cook this up, cut it into 3 pieces, and then turn it into kebabs. That way it's easy for everybody to eat.
That didn't feel right. That was way too easy.
I guess that first one, he really had the grip on it.
That was way too easy. Tomorrow. Man, them here tomorrow. So
I'm leaving tomorrow.
what time?
Around like 7.
Okay, no, shoot, we might have her done by then.
No. He made 7 a.m.
Oh, 8.
Yeah. I got service in the morning.
You know we got Kingdom Walls up here too, right?
I know that, but I already told my elder already that I'd be there.
So that was...
Plus, I missed last weekend because I was going to the
That's
city.
what's up. You want to hang out with your black friends? Look at this.
He's black too.
I don't care. He like Western PA black.
Who you talking about, Mark?
Yeah.
Okay. So now they're good.
Where's your exhaust?
You be fine, trust.
Pop those on.
Bro, I'm the oldest one here. I don't care what anybody says.
Oldest one.
Who is this?
One. Who's the other one there, Brandon?
This one you talking about?
Can you see how that goes on there, bro? You on that side. I'll take this, because you know already Luke Rick on there, bro.
Who's that one rag?
Man. Look at Brandon.
Why are you?
Everybody just look at Brandon.
Why are you?
Oh, okay.
Well, everybody look at Brandon. Brandon, what are you doing?
Wait.
You gotta give him some guidance.
Give me this. No, get ready.
Wait, where does it go?
I gotta drink to that, yo.
Wait.
I was like, I gotta drink.
I'm confused. These jobs move.
The BP, yo.
Cheito, where's it go?
Brandon, you ready? Let me show you where the exhaust goes.
No. Cheito's gonna show us.
Where's your exhaust, Brandon?
Oh, down here?
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought I'm like, where, yeah, why? I was like, why is he putting them here?
Yo, Brandon was like,
And then he was like,
Don't laugh at me, man.
that's the funniest stuff I ever seen, yo.
I told him he's gotta give you some guidance.
I told you, I just need
Jamel.
somebody to tell me what to do.
put the motor up. Dang, yeah. I'm sorry, but you really set yourself up.
Oh, man.
It's gonna be kind of hard to put, isn't it?
That was good, Brandon. That was good. Oh, man, we cracking up right now, bro.
So you needed that.
I needed that, yo. Brandon, put it on.
That's where you put the last set of gaskets. So I was like, oh, okay, just go on top.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Where's Sunny?
Oh,
no, let's
man.
tell Sunny where to put them.
Oh, man.
Sunny, go ahead. Where does that go?
Oh, man.
You have been summoned.
Why?
They need your help with an exhaust. They need your help with a plate. They just want you.
I gotta keep an eye on this.
I'll keep an eye on it. Go ahead. 5 minutes. That's all we need. 5 minutes. It's good for 5 minutes.
Keep an eye on it.
I gotta come with you though. I'll make sure it's fine.
Here we go.
Stop. She's not straight, that's why.
You guys being me for it.
Jamel, he need a hand.
¿Dónde va esta? No me digas. Pero me atrevo a posar que no va aquí encima.
Your boy, Babe Mezak.
No, me atrevo a usted que va aquí, bien abajo, donde yo no puedo ver.